How to fix Snapchat memories in less than 1 minute. First thing, guys, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to the Snapchat right here, click on force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds, and after that disable it, and then open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and click on update. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.